Hi, thanks for watching the video. In this video, we are going to share with you not only latest moss garden ideas, but also will share with you the information regarding this Japanese art and also what to include and what to avoid. So if you are a fan of Japanese gardens, then this video is going to be very informative for you. A moss garden is a beautiful and low-maintenance alternative to a traditional lawn or flower garden. Moss gardens are especially popular in areas with high humidity and shade, and they can be a great addition to any outdoor space. In this video, I will provide you some ideas and tips for creating your own moss garden. First, it's important to understand the benefits of a moss garden. Moss garden is a type of plant that doesn't require soil to grow, and it can thrive in a variety of conditions. Moss is also very low maintenance as it doesn't require regular watering or mowing like a traditional lawn. Additionally, moss is an excellent natural filter for water, which makes it a great choice for areas with poor drainage. To create your own moss garden, you will need to start by selecting the right location. Moss thrives in areas with high humidity and shade. So look for a spot in your yard that gets limited sunlight and stays relatively moist. You can also create a moss garden in the shaded areas of your patio or balcony. Once you have selected your location, it's time to prepare the soil. Unlike traditional gardens, moss doesn't require soil to grow. Instead, you will need to create a base layer of organic material such as compost or leaf litter. This will provide the nutrients that the moss needs to thrive. Next, it's time to select your moss varieties. There are many different types of moss available, each with its own unique texture and color. Some popular varieties including cushion moss, sheet moss, and hair cap moss. You can also mix and match different varieties to create a moss dynamic look. When planting your moss, it's important to keep in mind that the plants will take some time to establish themselves. You may need to mist the area regularly to keep the moss moist while it takes root. Once the moss is established, it will require very little maintenance. To keep your moss garden look its best, you may want to periodically remove any debris or fallen leaves that may accumulate on the surface. You can also trim any overgrown areas with scissors or shears. In conclusion, a moss garden can be a beautiful and low-maintenance addition to any outdoor space by selecting the right location. Prepare the soil and choose the right varieties of moss. You can create a unique and sustainable garden that requires very little upkeep. A Japanese garden is a space for peaceful meditation and should be kept simple and natural. To make your garden look Japanese inspired, incorporate the essential elements of stone, plants, water, and ornament. You won't see lush flower borders or succulents in an authentic Japanese style landscape. Before understanding what not to do in a Japanese garden, here's a quick review of the Japanese design principles of the Japanese garden style. The following elements: symmetry, balance, and serenity are your best guidance. Be purposeful but avoid glitch. Choose raw material that makes sense in the sense. Do not mix elements like river rocks with desert rocks. Waves and swirls are natural way of designs. Shear clear of corners, harsh edges, and blockness. Use plants with lush foliage throughout the year. Waterfalls and water spouts with trickling running water, koi ponds, reflection pool accentuate the life-giving force of water. There are three main types of Japanese gardens: Karasansui, Shukiyama, Chaniwa. Forgive me if I could not speak the words correctly. Chaniwa serves as the main inspiration for Japanese gardens. Other types include a traditional scroll garden, a paradise garden used in temple design, a pond garden with a large lake or pond, and a courtyard garden used within or beside a small home or shop. So at the end of this video, I want to request you to please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video with others. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.